Are we good? Is everything working? I hope everything's working. It should be working. Okay, I'll take it. Howdy, folks. How are you all tonight? I am well enough. I'll make it happen, Raggy. And yes, MGO servers go up at midnight, although that will be 2 in the morning for me, so I will not be able to play. I'll most likely set up an outfit at least, though. I'll do that off stream and post the info on Twitter or something. Alright. Chat came back. Good. Good. Howdy, Whitefire Blues. Well enough, Delta. How are you? And howdy, Melody. Seems a little loud. I don't know if I'm going to go with Boxhound as a name, because it appears to have been taken, at least in the community thing. And it's not exactly very original to begin with. Or rather, very creative to begin with, so it's probably going to be taken right out the gate. In that case, I'm going to go for something a little lore, or a little more lore-friendly, and hopefully it'll work out. And Duto, welcome back. 6 months in a row, thank you. Howdy, Pyro Man. What did I just murdered? Smalls. I'm sorry, Old Smalls. So where do I go from here? Beckons. Why do you do this? Good to see you. Thank you. That was entirely unnecessary. Goddamn it, Kiara, quit it. I won't be playing MGS tonight. Oh, jeez. Insanity and Chicken Dog, 15 and 12 months respectively. My goodness. Welcome back. Thank you both. Oh, but goddammit, I keep doing that. Before I forget, before we get started, as soon as I minimize bollocks. What is the command? There. That's how it works from now on. We're filtering out posting the YouTube links in chat so the mods can grab. Instead, if you're in the stream for 10 minutes, you get a token or a quarter for this jukebox, and you can redeem it on that website. Ignore the commands that they'll give you to post in chat. The bot is not active in that way. So you go to redeem it on the site, you post the link, and a mod will get to it from there. I went down there for a reason. Why did I come back up? It'll still function more or less the same as far as you guys are concerned. It's mostly to clear the clutter of the YouTube links from chat. You'll still be able to request songs, just as you were able to before, and a mod will handle it. Just as before. The only difference is it's all handled in the background, with the exception of the mod having to use the song request command in chat as normal. I haven't done this yet. Now what the hell? Howdy, Sleepy Psycho. Howdy, Brickstrom. What? Thank you, Sandal. I'm gonna have to. Saw that coming. Run. Wait, what? Mansion basement is still blacklisted. I'm okay with 8-bit and NES style OSTs. So level is, I think, 41. How many times have I finished Dark Souls 2? Oh, I don't know. Not too many, probably, I want to say maybe 6 tops. I've created more characters than I finished. Let me check something. Sorry I haven't been around much. I bought MGS5 and wanted to avoid spoilers, plus school on top of that. Anyway, it's my 16th birthday and I wanted to seriously thank you for all the content. How much would I have to pay for you to sing Snake Eater? A lot, but I will say happy birthday. And I hope you have enjoyed it / are enjoying it. Thank you very much. You did not have to do that on your birthday. Thank you. Have a good night, Okami. Be silent. Am I excited for MGO? I'm definitely looking forward to it, yeah. Again, please do not post the links in chat. That is the opposite of what you're supposed to be doing. Use the dashboard to redeem your, the song request via the token you gain for being here for 10 minutes. Do not post them in chat. Also, Cadmium Elemental, I believe that's how you say that. Please correct me if I am mistaken, but thank you very much and welcome. Oh, right, she was my... Okay, I can do this. I don't remember how to play this, so it's going to be interesting. You still there? I nearly walked off the edge. That would have been embarrassing. Oh yeah, Percy. I remember that nonsense. So that's gonna be fun. Are you really over here now? Hi. Let's, come on. Come on. Oh, wonderful. Are you serious? This is my life. Go, bloody. I hate everything. Did it even kill all of them? It didn't. I heard it. Where is it? Oh well. I shall not praise Spider Penguin. Have a good night, Tasman. Class, I think I'm a... Is someone coming down here? That would be ill-advised. Bandit. We're starting. Oh, he's up there. See if I can pull this off. That stands. Nope. Ow. Oh, that was a mistake. I'm hit. I'm dead. That worked out. Oh, God. Okay, I need to get used to this build. 2. At least I hit him. Oh, shit. You bastard. You tried it. Why is this happening? Yep. 2. 2, you finished it. I'm impressed. That was a mistake. Oh, goodness. Percy, please. We're gonna do it again. Oh, yep. Some things never change. Some things do change. Smosing. What are you thinking? Victorious. I didn't go nearly as badly as I expected. Buddy Pablo. So what are my weapons looking like? Not too bad. That's fine. Alright, that guy. How's the interface looking right now? Oh, you're right there. What are you doing? Don't you fireball me. You tried it. You're trying it again. You're trying... We talked about this. How do those of you just getting here? Hey, Lucatile. Wait, what are you... Thought you moved.
What is it? I don't think... Yes, listen. I can't, don't... Because I can't, don't hesitate.
Oh, right. That's there now. So I don't even have to deal with that nonsense, do I? Is this still a large Titanite shard? Or is it something more sinister? I do legit midget gaming. Were they always? Yeah, they were. I think they were always out there. I want that bonfire, so this is gonna be Don't even think about it. Ow. Don't you hit that barrel, you son of a bitch. I gotta go. Well, let's not do that again. How many times I can snipe him before he gets all angry? Did you just... Don't do it. Did I miss a Yoda? I'm just playing it because I missed it. Did you push that down? No, but you just destroyed it, flat out. Damn it. Hi, dogs. How do you miss Skin Cry, friend? Well enough. I'm torn. What is this, a gold pine? Gold pine. Are there no barrels I can shove all the way? Damn it. I'm not using miracles on her because it's Liliana. How am I gonna do this? Because I don't have the means to... I could run the gauntlet again, I guess. I'm going to have to. Because I need that bonfire. I don't need it, but I want it. And I can't even get back over there. Wonderful. I didn't set up the bones. No. Yeah, I'll do it. Black Firebomb won't work on it, no, and it needs to be barrel. This is Liliana, Colonel, Dragon Age. I am an uncle, but the age difference isn't nearly large enough for it to be, for it to really feel like that. They do add up over time, as in, well, if you don't spend them, they'll accumulate, but the only thing they're currently used with is the whole song request thing. Is this Batman Beyond? This is Batman Beyond. Son of a bitch. Again, the commands do not work in chat. The bot is not active in that way, which is why we want to centralize everything to that dashboard, with the exception of mod commands. I assume it'll keep track of however long you've been in here and give you them accordingly, regardless of if your Twitch crashes. So if you're here for 5 minutes and it crashes and you come back for another 5, you'll probably get the token. I can only assume. Spike Spiegel, welcome back for the 2nd month. Thank you very much. I really just want to run past this Joker, but I should have bought more life gems when I was there, and now I can't even go back. Hi. All of my stamina. Stop it. Oh, that doesn't stagger you at all. Wonder why oh, because it's not one, probably. Noted. I don't want to risk it. MGS2. It's been a good while since I've... You're gonna make me fall off. Don't you do that. Oh, jeez. I'll check that in a moment. Stop it. Actually, let's go in here. I know your pathing allows it. This should stagger you. But because you have... Ow. You're not gonna kill me, sir. Not gonna allow it. She has crap for stamina right now. Oh, might have been because I was running. Why did that? I'm just terrible at stamina management, it seems. I can do 4 of them. Channel. Oh god. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Okay. Two, three. Good. Progress. I really hope I have a firebomb. If this doesn't go on the first try. I have exactly 1, and I nearly used it. Okay. No whammy, no whammy. Good. Yeah, I'm going to go back to Arkham Knight. Absolutely. I don't remember if they patched it, though. It was supposed to come out in September, so I can only assume that it has. I just don't remember. I need a double check. But yeah, I will be getting back to it. Those are actually useful. Evening, Zeppelin. They did patch it. Good. I'm well enough. How are you? I always thought that he would do damage if he hit me like this, so I never took the chance. Dull Ember, they moved it. Where did they move it to? Do I have it already? I did. Yeah, or you get it where the antiquated key is originally. I have the bow already. What do I have? Wait, what? Oh, I have two short swords, that's why. That makes sense. I was going to switch between them. I can definitely pick one or the other. Or at least not use one while I'm using the other. What do you think, Colonel? Any plan to continue Reciteer? Maybe. I don't know. Mayhaps. And take care, Melis. What was I doing? They're both. Okay. Oh, another thing, links for the sake of potentially dissuading people from posting links, like for song requests due to the new system we have in place. I have links purged automatically. Let me check that. Eternal Darkness, welcome back. Thank you for the 2 months in a row. Also, Narwhals donated $5 earlier. Hey Snake, just wanted to show you a little appreciation for being a source of joy for me the past several years. Keep being the wonderful person that you are. That is false, but appreciated nonetheless. I think I'm turning Japanese. But I'm glad that I could do anything to assist. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. I nearly walked off the edge because I was reading that message. How many of these do I even have? 300. It's gonna be tough. Let's mosey. Well, this is a problem. Yeah, I don't know how to deal with this. I was supposed to go back and get life gems. I'll do that. I see. Yeah, I can. Suddenly, Invader. Suddenly, Tall Geese. Just slits my throat. I'm probably going to at least configure stuff for MGO. I don't know if I'm going to play it tonight. I won't be playing it on stream if I do play it. I probably cannot say everything backwards. Valentia, couldn't remember her name. All of the life gems, and by that I mean 31 of them. For all of my souls. By all of my souls, I mean all but 284 of them. Again, do not use the commands that website gives you. They do not work. I have those disabled to limit posting links in chat in the first place. Who the hell? hello. It's been a while. There's an enemy behind me too, I need to be mindful of that. Well, oh god. Electric, huh? Yeah, I'm not going up there, friend. How? Fire too. Interesting. Damn. He's gonna get me. Oh, that's bad. Yeah. Nowhere near used to fighting with this build. I shouldn't have told that person my soul level. I have a feeling that's who invaded. But, stamina management is going to be a problem with PvP in this. If I'm using duels. Oh, hi guys. You're alive. Shouldn't be. I would prefer it if he didn't snipe me. What the hell? I see. Yes, hello. Thank you for being a good sport. Alright. Need to... That's still not two-handed. That's why. That wasn't my chat. I have the notifications for that disabled. You're gonna ruin all of my fun, aren't you? I thought he was just gonna keep walking. I would have been very pleased. That's rude, sir. Somehow you're still alive. Gentlemen. God, it's been ages. Was hoping I would hit both of them there. That's bad. Could have been worse. Don't know how he whiffed, but I'll take it. Do I have one of these? I don't remember. Apparently do. I'm well enough. Lynx, how are you? Am I dealing with these nerds? I don't need effigies to know how to rock. Are you following me up here? You are. Let's see how far you go. Oh, balls. That's never happened to me before. Turn around. Walk away. Let me see. How do I want to do this? I can probably take him. I'm not that rusty, right? Balls. That's bad. Yeah. And I'm out of stamina. This is bad news. Do the thing where you stop hitting me. I really need to